What's going on, guys? Taking a road trip, not on the bike. I'm on 4 wheels today because I'm with the family. Well, they went to the bathroom with my kid, my wife, my parents, and we're gonna be traveling from Nanjing to different places in China, like a week. It's gonna take a week. Jiangxi, Phoenix City. So I thought I'd make a video, and I'm not riding, but like still I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys what it's like to take a road trip in China. I'm driving this Toyota. Yeah, I'd rather it be a Honda or Kawasaki, but you know. So anyway, we've been driving for like 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and yeah, it's pretty cool. On the highway, we're in a mountain now. We're in Dabie Shan, and then we're heading to the hotel, another 100 kilometers. First layover, first city, Macheng in Hubei. We stopped here because it's like 400 kilometers away from Nanjing, so just to basically spend the night. I don't know anything about this place, but yeah, it looks really nice for riding though. Like I wish that was riding. A couple of motorcycles on the way, on the highway. So in the Hubei, I guess in Hubei you can ride on the highway. Looking for some food right now. Hopefully we'll find some good local food. The KFC there are not quite local. What's going on, guys? We're leaving Macheng and we're heading to Yueyang City. See you there.